Welcome to SingHealth MRI Centre. Your doctor may have arranged for you to undergo an MRI scan here. I'm Esther from SingHealth, and in this video, I'll guide you through the process here at the MRI Centre. Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI for short, utilizes magnetic fields and radio waves to take detailed images of the structure inside the body. If this is your first MRI scan, there's no need to feel anxious. It is a safe and routine procedure that many people undergo every day. On the day of your appointment, please register using the app. Once you have completed the registration, please make your payment to complete the process. Alternatively, you may register at a self-registration station at the entrance of the centre. For a faster and seamless experience, we strongly encourage all patients to use mobile registration. To avoid any delays, please arrive at least 20 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Once you have completed the registration and payment, please take a seat at the main waiting area before proceeding to the next service station. Please note that only patients are allowed beyond this point in this facility. In preparation for your procedure, the patient service associate will provide you with an MRI gown to change into. We will then confirm your identity and take your height and weight measurements. Remember to remove all metallic items on you and deposit your possessions safely in the locker assigned to you. Please wait at one of these pods until your turn is called. The pods are strategically positioned to enhance patients' privacy. At our nurse preparation room, our nurses will check in with you to confirm if you have any drug allergy, history of diabetes, or kidney issues. They will also remind you of any special instructions, such as fasting, and verify if it has been observed. Depending on your condition, you may receive contrast injections to help tissues, blood vessels, and organs to show up more clearly during the scan. Before your MRI scan, it is important that you go through the MRI safety screening process. It is of utmost importance that all safety guidelines are met before any patient begins their scan. The ferromagnetic detector screening is the final safety check performed by the radiographer before bringing the patient into the scanner suite. Before you lie down on the MRI couch, the radiographer will provide you with a hair cap to cover your hair for hygiene purposes and earplugs to reduce noise during the scan. There's a call bell available for you to call for assistance anytime during the scan. As you lie down, please keep your hands by your sides and avoid crossing your arms and legs. Please remain as still as possible during the scan to ensure that the machine can capture clear and accurate images. An MRI scan typically takes about 20 to 60 minutes depending on the type of scan and your specific condition. Most patients can resume their usual daily activities after the scan unless advised otherwise. And that concludes the MRI session. The final images will be reviewed by the specialist radiologist who will send your scan results to your doctor. We hope that this video has helped you to understand what to expect during an MRI scan. Remember, an MRI scan is straightforward, safe, and painless. We hope that you have a pleasant experience with us.